Project code ITJ-CC03. Project title is Compiling with Data Handling Requirements in Cloud Storage System. So the idea is how data is stored in cloud. So it means public and private cloud. So it is the process where some handling data handling requirements are used to to share the data in cloud. In existing concept, the storage of cloud has limit and it can be proceeded further due to no storage space. Some data leaks happened. Existing drawbacks. The existing drawbacks are it has less security and data missing. So in proposed concept, so in cloud, we increase the need of storage and distributed the file in cloud. So the proposed advantage is so more scalable and the UI is friendly and the load balance as optimal. Existing technique. So existing they use DHR, data handling requirement. So by using this data handling requirement, the cloud storage doesn't support this technique. Due to this, some uh, malware has been detected in the cloud and as major security issues. So in proposed system, we use PRADA. PRADA means practical approach. So for storing those data, storing data in storing in public and private cloud. So we use practical approach. We have been approaching those cloud to store the data in private and public cloud. So the system architecture, there way of user one and user two. So so in this project, there are user one, user two, and admin. So what user will be doing is user one will be registering and login. After login, so he'll be uploading a file. So that file will be stored if he is uploading a file. So if the user one wants to share those data to public cloud, he can store those data in the public cloud. So instead of storing those data in the public cloud, so this is the file which is being the file that I'm being uploaded. So it should be stored in a private cloud. So for that we are using Dropbox. For private cloud using Dropbox. So if I want to share those data to public cloud, I can store this in the public cloud. So no, I shouldn't share those data to public. Now I can store that in the private cloud. So this process will be done by user one. So again, user 2 comes in and log in. He'll be checking those files. What are the files being uploaded by user 1? He'll be checking those files. So if the user 2 wants a file access, he can send a request to the file owner. So which user has been who is the owner of the file which is being uploaded. So he'll be sending a request to that user. So after sending the request, after sending the request, so the user one will be sending a key to the user two. So to access those files, he'll be sending a request to. So he'll be accepting the file and he'll be sending the key to user two. With the help of the key, the admin user two can access those files. So what admin will be doing is he will be maintaining those data, which users are transferring those data, which user is being uploading the file. This kind of data is being maintained by admin. So in application, so we can use this application in cloud platform, sharing data from user to user in secured way. Future announcement: in future we can the demand of storing data storing data may increase in future. So to overcome that, we buy more cloud to store the data. MySQL software used is MySQL and Eclipse. What is MySQL? MySQL is a structured query language and it is to store large number of data, and we can retrieve the data we need. So Eclipse, what is the use of Eclipse here? By using Eclipse, we develop front-end UI with HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap. With this, we develop front-end UI. For back-end, we use MySQL. For connectivity, we will be using Java for connecting the front-end UI page and database connectivity. Hardware, the minimum hardware requirement for this project. Thank you.